Nutritional Weight Loss Shakes. 3 nutritional shakes for healthy journeys. Are you looking for a tasty and nutritious way to lose some weight? Our weight loss shakes are packed with goodness and flavor. Get your healthy journey started with these 3 nutrition-packed shakes. Three nutrition weight loss shakes. Many weight loss shakes are available, each offering its own set of benefits. 3 options are available. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. 1. Chocolate shake. Rich, creamy, and delicious chocolate shakes are a classic favorite. Shakes with a chocolate flavor are a great choice for chocolate lovers. Besides providing a delicious taste, the chocolate shake is also nutritionally beneficial. Contains protein and fiber, which promote fullness and aid in weight loss. Furthermore, dark chocolate contains antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and improve heart health. 2. Green shake. More and more people are discovering the health benefits of green shakes in recent years. Due to the addition of leafy green vegetables such as kale, spinach, and lettuce, these shakes are green in color. Green shakes are nutrient-dense and packed with vitamins and minerals. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow. As an excellent source of fiber and antioxidants, it can promote gut health, boost the immune system, and help you lose weight. The chlorophyll in green shakes also helps the body eliminate toxins because of its detoxifying properties. 3. Chocolate peanut butter shake. Why shouldn't weight loss shakes be indulgent? While still supporting your weight loss goals, this chocolate peanut butter shake will satisfy your cravings. 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and half a frozen banana are blended together with a handful of ice. The shake is not only tasty, but it also contains a good amount of protein and healthy fats to help you stay full. Final point, using weight loss shakes as a supplement to a healthy and balanced diet is not a good idea. Enjoy these tasty and nutritious shakes as you lose weight for a satisfying and tasty experience. When it comes to losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight loss shakes can be a powerful tool. In addition to satisfying your hunger and boosting your metabolism, they help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable manner. We will explore the benefits of using weight loss shakes in this blog post and share tips on choosing the right shakes.